In this quick guide, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up affiliate tiers on PartnerStack step by step. If you're looking to level up your affiliate program and incentivize your partners, you're in the right place. Stay tuned because I'll be sharing some valuable tips on maximizing your affiliate tiers. And at the end of the video, I'll tell you how you can access this software completely free with an exclusive bonus. PartnerStack makes it easy to manage and grow your affiliate program, and setting up affiliate tiers is one of the best ways to create more motivation for your partners. With affiliate tiers, you can reward your top performers, create a sense of achievement, and drive even more sales. Let's dive in. To get started, log into your PartnerStack account. Once you're in, head over to your partner program dashboard. From here, you'll want to click on the Tiers tab, which is where all the magic happens. The first thing you'll notice is the option to create a new tier. PartnerStack allows you to create multiple levels of tiers based on performance, meaning you can reward your affiliates for hitting specific milestones or driving more sales. For example, you could have a bronze, silver, and gold tier, each offering different rewards or commission rates. Now, when setting up your first tier, you'll need to give it a name. Make sure it reflects the level of achievement. For instance, if you want to start with a basic tier, you could simply name it standard or entry level. Then, assign a commission percentage for this tier. This is where you can decide how much commission your affiliates will earn at this level. Once your first tier is set up, you'll see the option to add additional tiers. When you're creating these, think about the type of performance you want to reward. For example, if you want to motivate your affiliates to bring in more sales, you could set higher commission rates for the next tier, Advanced, and offer exclusive bonuses to the top performers. Next, configure the rules for moving affiliates from one tier to the next. This is key. You'll want to set clear goals for your affiliates to hit before they can advance. PartnerStack makes it simple to set these goals, such as a specific number of sales or a sales volume target. This way, you keep affiliates motivated and incentivized to push for higher results. PartnerStack also lets you customize the rewards for each tier. You're not limited to just commission. If you want to give your affiliates access to exclusive perks, discounts, or even swag, you can easily integrate that into your tiers. The more personalized the rewards, the more motivated your partners will be to push for the next tier. One great thing about PartnerStack is the way it automates the tracking of these tiers. You don't have to manually check or calculate who should be moved to the next tier. Once your affiliates hit the set milestone, they'll automatically be moved into the next tier, and you can focus on growing your program rather than dealing with the logistics. To make your affiliate program even more enticing, think about how you can use these tiers to create urgency. For example, you could offer limited time bonuses for affiliates who hit a particular sales target by a specific date. This creates a sense of urgency and keeps your program dynamic. Before we wrap up, here's a quick reminder that PartnerStack is offering a completely free trial through the first link below. This means you can try setting up these affiliate tiers without any risk. And on top of that, you'll get access to some exclusive bonuses to supercharge your affiliate program. So, to summarize, setting up affiliate tiers on PartnerStack is an effective way to boost affiliate motivation, streamline your program, and incentivize top performers. Remember to create clear milestones, offer meaningful rewards, and leverage the automation to keep things running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab your extended free trial with the exclusive bonus using the link below.